Hello traders, welcome to another video from our LTR group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to be behaving and what are the key levels to look out for. And also I have picked a few stocks for you to understand and take a trade for tomorrow. Let's quickly begin with whatever is happening over here. Now, just as a ready reckoner, if you want to know what kind of profits that we have made on a live trading forum, then there is a link in the description below for the Telegram channel. You can join the channel. It's free of cost, where I give you my fee views about the market and any real-time news updates and everything will be listed out over there, and also the progress about the live trading. And secondly, there is also a WhatsApp button. If you want to chat with me on WhatsApp, then there is also a place over there that you can click and you can respond to any questions you have, and I will give you a personalized reply as soon as I can. Okay, so without further ado, let us quickly go ahead and see what's happening here. Now, the first and the most important thing is, let's move on to the daily candle and see what Bank Nifty is doing. Okay. This is the first thing that I want you to understand, that on a daily candle, we are still at a very tight range. So this range is getting stronger and stronger. And I'm expecting that whenever this range is taken out, then we will have 2x of whatever is the consolidation period of this. So 2x as in the sense 35,500 and 36,300. So I'm expecting somewhere around 1,600 points move at a single direction when this range is being broken. So I want 36,300 and 35,500 to be a number on which you will make your decision to buy. Now, if there is an upside over here, then we can look out for. Now, this is something that I'm giving you as a positional view, so I want you to keep that in mind. So we might have somewhere around 1,500 points on the upside. That means that it is going to either take the all-time high, okay, or it is going to go ahead and take 1,500 points down, where it is going to go near the previous swing. Now, what is going to be for the expiry date tomorrow? Now, for the expiry day, there is a range that it is been consolidating over here. So let me just maximize this for you. So here it is. Sorry, my mouse has been acting very funny today. Yeah. So over here on the 5-minute time frame, we see that there has been some aggression after 3 o'clock, where Bank Nifty was trying to move on to the upside. So this range, this tiny range tomorrow, we can give you an intraday trade. So once this range is being taken out, let's say it's opening sideways and it moves on the upside of 35,925, then you can look for a target of 36,000 plus 50 points. And if it is crossing below the swing, okay, below the swing of 35,710, then you can look for an easy target over here at 35,546. So this is the level for tomorrow. And if it consolidates over here, it will be a seller's zone. So there would be no opportunity for options buying. But however, we are going to try the Hero Zero, technique that we have developed recently tomorrow. And, that is used for all expiry trades. So most probably we will be starting a live trading tomorrow at 1:30 to actually deploy that. So our Hero Zero will give us an ability to go ahead, create a specific order that can actually burst on either side and give us an actual happiness of Hero Zero is what I'm looking at. And for that, I want this entire index to be below 30, in between 35,900 to 35,700. Now, in terms of Nifty, guys, this guy is moving in a single direction, and he has no regrets about where he wants to go. And I did tell you on a positional basis, I'm looking at 16,700 as a target. So I'm very confident that tomorrow, as soon as it is taking out 16,628, then we are going to have a decent 70 points target on the upside, where it can touch the round number of 16,700 and then come down, or whatever it wants to do will be done over here at this particular range. And if it has to go onto the downside, then until and unless it is crossing this level of 16,541, I won't be interested to sell. And if it is in between this, then we are going to be on a tight range. Okay, so just to keep you posted about this. Now, let us quickly talk about the stocks. The stocks that I'm going to have is, one is Apollo. So Apollo is making some mammoth bullish candles, and I'll be looking forward to see how it reacts on 5,000 tomorrow as a breach. So if that 5,000 is being taken out, then I will reckon that there will be a very, very tight target over here. So let me just tell you where and what I'm looking at. So this is the previous swing that I'm drawing for the last couple of days, and on a positional basis I'm having huge targets in this script, and I don't know why. I always see this moving, consolidating and moving tomorrow. So on a positional basis I will have a target of 5,500 tomorrow for the Apollo Hospital. I might deploy some quantity and wait for the expiry to see how it happens, but the most important thing should be above 5,000 is what you need to look at this. So the next one is Idea. Now Idea has been selling off itself for a very long time now. Of course, this is a penny stock that I'm actually giving you a bit of a heads up with. So this penny stock between 5 rupees and 65 pence has the potential to go to 4 rupees 55 pence, pence I'm telling, paise, onto the downside. So we are going to have another 20% movement that is vacant over here. So why is that so? The performance of them, of the telecom industry, especially Vodafone Idea, is not being that satisfactory. So until this particular trend line is being taken out, you can actually go ahead and sell on rise on any moment that you have. But I'm looking at a positional target of 4 rupees and 55 paise. Now, Comments India, I had discussed it with a lot of you that about 875, I'm looking at a very strong targets. And today, I think it has already breached the 1,000 number. And, tomorrow, what I want is that I want it to go ahead and take a support on this and make a 15-minute bullish candle. And then I'm going to be looking at somewhere around 1,100 as a target. So this is also something that I want you to keep in mind, that I'm looking at this kind of progression. Only if it comes to the 1,000 and makes a bullish candle, I'm going to be expecting, a few points over here. So it is going to take some time to reach that 10%, but it can give that 2 to 3% on an intraday level. And the next one is Infi. This is the very reason why Nifty is become a mad bull. So I did mention this as well to my people on a live trading as well. About 1,715, it's going to give a decent amount of target. Our intraday targets over here have been achieved of somewhere around 1.79%, but our overall target that we are looking at is somewhere around 1,800 as per the fib. Now the reason why I want to tell you is this. So let me just stretch it out. Yeah. So as per the fib, what we are expecting is that, from here, if there is a breakout once again, the next round number of 1,800 is going to come soon. Now, I don't know when the IT index is going to get tired, but when it is going to get tired, it is going to correct itself. But I don't think, anybody is waiting for any corrections over here anymore. This is the trend line that it is taking a support. So I want you to go ahead and observe this very, very carefully. And until this trend line is being broken, you can stay into your position and do whatever you want to do and just make profits and buy on dips. So, at the last point, when it breaks this particular trend line, your target will be the previous swing that you're actually looking at over here. So that would be this. So if the trend line breaks at this particular point or any particular given point, your previous swing will be the target. And if somehow, if it does not sustain and break that level also, then it is going to be downside over here. So both my upsides and downsides are pretty much, available over here for another 3% on the top side. And if over here it is on an intraday basis for 1.5%, and on a maximum side over here, I will be looking at 1.5% plus another 1% here. So these are my levels for you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, WhatsApp me. If you want to track our progress, join the Telegram channel. If you want to join me on live trading, then please visit www.rltrgroup.com. With this information, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. We'll see you on the next exciting video tomorrow. Take care. Jai Hind. Goodbye.